Xiaomi has launched the Mi Band 5 just about a few days ago, and we all know that it is a major upgrade over the last year's Mi Band 4. Well, many of you might be disturbed regarding this decision whether to buy Mi Band 4 or the newly released Mi Band 5, and I'm gonna make this thing crystal clear for you in this video. Let's start with the comparison. First of all, we will talk about the displays. So this is basically the most noted thing in the bands like these. We know Mi Bands are always the budget fitness trackers, so we cannot expect that high-end features like from Apple Watches, but Mi Bands provides a lot beneficial features. So in Mi Band 4 we have display size of 0.95 inches, and yeah, this is AMOLED display too with curved edges and looks beautiful. But here on other side, the newly released Mi Band 5 has major upgrade over the display, and it comes with 1.12 inches. And yeah, that same AMOLED and curved edges display, just a bit of increase in size, nothing else. And Xiaomi also claimed that it will also have some improved colors. Next difference is of themes. In Mi Band 4 we are just limited to 77 themes, and Xiaomi has stepped up in Mi Band 5 by making addition of brand new classic themes, and this time counting for themes went up to 100 plus. But don't worry, if you are just upgrading from Mi Band 4 to Mi Band 5 just for the themes, then wait, you can actually download a lot, I mean unlimited themes, by installing some third-party applications. So you can do it in this simple way. Just go to Play Store or search for some themes application for your Mi Band 4. Number third difference is of charging cables. This is something that has made really an easy way to charge the Mi Band 5. Last year's Mi Band 4 has a plug-in charger. It means you will first need to take the capsule out from the rubber band, then put it into the charging dock, and that seems a lot complex thing if we compare it with the newly released Mi Band 5 charger. Because in Mi Band 5 things come to simplicity, but with advanced technology. Xiaomi introduced magnetic charger this time for Mi Band 5. As you can see in this video, just bring that charging cable near to the back of capsule and boom, it will attach and start doing its job, I mean charging. So that's a valuable upgrade, I would say. Next up, here we have the major upgrade in NFC. Yes, this time we'll be having Union Pay option in Mi Band 5 also. Mi Band 4 lacks it, but we have the NFC in both in Mi Band 4 and 5. But Xiaomi is actually releasing the Mi Band 5 NFC global variant too this year, so that's great. With the help of these features, you can easily make payments, shopping offline by using this NFC option. Next thing is the sleep monitoring. We have the sleep monitoring in Mi Band 4 also, but just for few hours. I mean, Mi Band 4 is programmed to calculate the sleep data just at night, but Mi Band 5 can monitor your sleep data even for 24 hours, and I love this thing. By the way, Mi Band 5 also has a sleep problem identifier that can aware you of your sleep problems, and Mi Band 4 doesn't have it. And next difference is basically no difference. Yes, I mean it's same. I'm talking about the waterproofing. So both of these Mi Band 5 and Mi Band 4 has 50 meter of water resistant capacity. So these are waterproof to really great extent. Next up, here we have the Amazon Alexa support in Mi Band 5. In Mi Band 4 we does not have this thing, but Mi Band 4 has Xiao AI assistant. That is Xiaomi's own assistant, but in Mi Band 5 along with the Xiao assistant we also do have the Amazon Alexa support. That is super great, and it is really premium feature. You can control your home appliances by connecting your Amazon Alexa to your Mi Band 4 via Bluetooth, and then using your voice you can control everything that is connected to Amazon Alexa. Next difference is of camera controls. Mi Band 5 officially supports remote controls for camera of your smartphone, but Mi Band 4 does not have. In case you want this feature also on Mi Band 4, then you can. Yes, you can actually do it simply by installing some third-party applications. There are a lot of tutorials on how to do it on YouTube, so you can watch them. Next up, we have a major upgrade for females health activity. Mi Band 5 has new female health monitoring feature and Mi Band 4 lacks it. So this time it is apparent that Xiaomi has worked hard for improving health features in the Mi Band 5, and other than that Xiaomi has also added some new sports modes and 11 new activities in Mi Band 5. So that's also an appreciable upgrade. Here is the last difference, which is price. So the Mi Band 4 with NFC variant comes with a price tag of $28 and without NFC $24, while the Mi Band 5 with NFC is priced at $42, but we don't know the exact price for now. We will see it on the official release date. And without NFC variant of Mi Band 5 is actually priced at $27 US. So Mi Band 5 will go officially on sale at 18th June of this month, and that's just a few days far from now, not even a week. And I will keep posting about the pricing on my social accounts, so make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And as I always keep posting the latest small tech updates there. So that were all the differences, and I hope you enjoyed this comparison videos. Let me know in the comment section below, and for future tech updates I would recommend you to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.